Organ systems. Organ systems. Organs work together in groups called organ systems. Some breathing system exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide. Lungs. Digestive system breaks down food into small molecules and absorbs them into the blood. Liver. Stomach. Small intestine. Large intestine. Nervous system carries messages around the body. Brain. Spinal cord. Nerves. Excretory system gets rid of poisonous substances from the blood and controls water levels in the body. Kidney. Bladder. Heart. Circulatory system transports substances to all parts of the body. Heart. Arteries. Veins. Sense organs. Senses make us aware of what is going on around us and in our own body. There are 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. Each of these senses has its own sense organ. Eyes. Eyes are the sense organs of sight. Our eyes are in sockets in the skull, which helps protect them from damage. The eyes are held in place by muscles which also move our eyes up and down and from side to side. We have 2 eyes, a few centimeters apart. This helps us to judge distance and find the position of things easily. Each eye sees. The brain puts the 2 images together to give a 3D, 3-dimensional, effect. This is called stereoscopic vision. Iris, the colored part of the eye. Muscles, move the eyeball. Pupil, the hole in the middle of the iris. Muscles, change the shape of the lens. Retina, contains the nerve cells. Jelly lens. Optic nerve, bundle of nerve fibers which carry signals to the brain. Watery liquid and jelly, help the eye. Cornea, tough and clear. Rays of light from the object pass through the cornea, pupil, and lens. The rays strike their retina and set up signals in some of its nerve cells. Lens. Picture, image, forms on the retina. Cornea. Light waves. The nerve cells send signals to the brain along the optic nerve. How do eyes work? Light from an object enters the eye through a hole called the pupil. The image is small and upside down. The lens is made of a jelly-like substance. The shape of the lens can be changed by a ring of muscle running around its edge. This enables us to focus on objects at different distances. The amount of light entering the eye is controlled by the iris. The muscles of the iris change the size of the pupil to allow more or less light to pass through. On the retina are millions of light-sensitive nerve cells. The brain interprets signals from the retina and produces the picture that you see. Did you know? If the human eye was a digital camera, it would have a resolution of 576 megapixels. Ears. Ears are the sense organs of hearing. We have 2 ears, one on each side of the head. This helps us to tell where a sound is coming from. Sounds are vibrations in the air. Ears change these vibrations into nerve impulses which travel to the brain where they are interpreted as sound. The ear is divided into 3 parts. 1. Outer ear, ear flap, ear canal, and eardrum. 2. Middle ear, contains 3 small bones. Inner ear, cochlea and auditory nerve. How do ears work? The ear flap collects vibrations in the air and sends them down a short canal to the eardrum. The eardrum vibrates in time with the vibrations in the air and passes this vibration to the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The hammer, anvil, and stirrup are small bones which amplify the vibrations of the eardrum, increasing their force more than 20 times. These vibrations are detected by nerve cells in the walls of the cochlea. Signals are passed from these nerve cells to the brain. The brain interprets these signals as the sounds that you hear. The semicircular canals are organs of balance. The canals lie at right angles to each other and have nerve cells in their walls. Liquid in the canals moves when you move. This moving liquid is detected by the nerve cells which send messages to the brain. When you go off balance, your brain tells your muscles to keep you upright.